Hi students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine and I wish that. Welcome to Vadivel Vadhiyar YouTube channel and your learning platform vadivel-vadhiyar.com. Right? In this class, we are going to discuss about the mathematical symbols in geometry. Right? Under this chapter, triangles, we are going to use many mathematical symbols, right? Like parallel to, similar to, perpendicular, like that. There are many symbols. Okay. So before we jump into the topic triangles, it's better you should know all these symbols. What are all the symbols used in this chapter? Triangles. Okay. Now let us see one by one. First one is congruent symbol. Okay. Congruent symbol, you see, equal to, and then you have to make a tilting line. Okay, this symbol is called as congruent symbol. Okay, congruence. Okay, now how to read this? Is congruent to. Okay, is congruent to. Okay, for example, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, like that. Okay, this triangle symbol means it's a triangle. Okay, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Okay, the next symbol is only one tilting, like this. Okay, this is called as similarity symbol. Okay, similarity. Okay, now how to read this? Is similar to. Okay, is similar to. For example, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Clear, students? Now the next one is two parallel lines. If you write like this symbol is parallel symbol. Okay, parallel. Okay, so how to read this? Is parallel to. Okay, is parallel to. Okay, for example, AB, line AB is parallel to line DE. Clear, students? Next one is perpendicular. Okay, this symbol is the perpendicular symbol. Okay, that means there is a line and another line is intersecting that line and forming a 90-degree here. Okay, that intersection is called as perpendicular. Okay, you can write here perpendicular. So how to read it? Is perpendicular to. Okay, is perpendicular to. Okay, for example, line AB is perpendicular to line DE. Clear, students? Now next one is the angle symbol, right? If you put like this, it is angle. Okay, in triangles there are three angles, right? So the intersection of two lines is creating an angle here, right? So that symbol is used as the angle symbol. Okay, so here we can write angle, and how to read it? Is angle, right? For example, angle A is equal to 45 degree. Clear, students? 45 degree, right? Next one is triangle symbol. This symbol is called triangle. Okay, how to read it? Triangle. Example, triangle ABC. ABC. Triangle ABC. Right? Next one is right angle. Okay, exactly a perpendicular symbol, right? You can see here the perpendicular symbol. Here 90 degree will be formed. Okay, so a right angle triangle will have one angle 90 degree. Okay, so this is right angle. How to read it? Right angle. Okay, right. For example, angle A is equal to 90 degree. Okay, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Otherwise, ABC is equal to 90 degree. Right? Next, equal to symbol. Right? Equal to. This is e equal to, and you can read it like equal to. For example, line AB is equal to line DE. That means line AB also 4 centimeter, DE also 4 centimeter, like that. Okay, and next one is approximately equal to. Okay, approximately equal to, how we are writing is like this, two lines simply tilted. Okay, approximately equal. Here, how to read it? Approximately equal to. Approximately equal to. Okay. For example, line or pi. Pi is 22 by 7, right? So we can write here pi is approximately equal to 3.14. Clear, students? And then there is another symbol which is called as corresponding to. Okay, put a line and put two arrow this side and this side. Okay, this symbol is called as corresponding. Okay, in triangle we will see the corresponding sides and corresponding angles of congruence of triangles. Okay, so at that time we have to use this corresponding symbol. Okay, so corresponding to. This is corresponding symbol. How to read it? Corresponding to. Right, students? For example, we can write angle A is corresponding to angle ED. Okay, and say line AB is corresponding to line DE. Like that. Clear, students? And one more explanation, this angle. Okay, here we have written angle A. Okay, here you can see the angle. For example, this is the triangle. Okay, we name these triangles as vertex are called as ABC. Okay, and the angle formed here A can be written as CAB, angle CAB. angle CAB. That means the angle formed between the lines CA and AB is denoted here angle CAB. Okay, you have to consider the middle letter which is forming the angle. Clear, students? So angle A can be written as angle A like this, otherwise angle CAB. Clear, students? So these are all the mathematical symbols we are using in this chapter, triangles. Okay, students, the list of the symbols and the handout is attached in your learning platform vadivel-vadhiyar.com. Website is already given in this video, below this video. Okay, just simply touch that, visit the website and download the PDF file and take a printout and attach with your notebook, which will be much helpful for you for easy learning and quick revision. Please, students, with this we are completing this class. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the video and hype the video and share it to your friends and classmates. Okay, everyone can get benefited of your learning platform vadivel-vadhiyar.com. Thank you, students. See you in the forthcoming lessons. Until then, bye bye.